Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get MECCHA Chameleon for free. You can get a free game code for Steam and it's going to save you around $5 guys, and this literally takes a few minutes. Like I said, this is going to get you a digital game code that you can redeem, and it is going to get you MECCHA Chameleon for completely free. So basically guys, I've been searching for a method on how to get this game. I know it's not super expensive, but this method only takes a few minutes and it is going to get you a digital Steam code that you can redeem. So before I show you how to do this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because yeah, I am planning to create more money saving game tutorials. So let's get into this one and show you how to get MECCHA Chameleon for free on Steam. So as you can see, you've got to use your mobile internet browser just to obtain your digital game code. So open up whatever browser and go to www.crashcoupons.com. So type it like this. Let's go ahead and type that in, Crash Coupons, and it's going to bring you to a game code website. And as you can see, they have hundreds of pages of game codes. They don't only have MECCHA Chameleon, they have pretty much every other game as well. So I do recommend just using the search bar, because that's going to speed up the process of finding the MECCHA Chameleon page. So go ahead and just type that in the search bar and it's going to pop up here, MECCHA Chameleon free game code. So tap on that, and as you can see, this is going to get you a free digital game code. So click on show full code. Now this entire process takes just a few minutes guys, and it is going to save you around $5 to $6, and I think it's worth it considering this takes just a few minutes. So because these are limited codes with 500 coupons remaining, you do need to unlock your personal digital game code, guys. Now to do that, you've got to click on this button and follow the instructions on this screen. And once you complete the steps here, it's going to unlock your digital game code. So as you can see, it says complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Crash Coupons, and follow the instructions below each one. So basically guys, you're going to have a list of tasks on this screen that are all completely free. Now these basically sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how they can give us these game codes. So you just need to select 2 tasks, making sure you read the description, because that tells you how to complete each one. So yeah, I've already done this and I don't want to waste the code. Like I said, these are limited, but yeah, if you complete 2 of these, it will send you back to Crash Coupons and your MECCHA Chameleon Steam game code will be revealed here. So this will be unlocked and you can grab your code, redeem it in the Steam store. And yeah, that is going to get you MECCHA Chameleon for free. So that is it guys, super easy. Go to Crash Coupons and then navigate your way using the search bar to the MECCHA Chameleon digital game code page. And that is it guys. So I hope you enjoy. If you need any assistance, let me know, but it is pretty easy. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.